Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy here at Southland Airstream and RV in Savannah, Georgia. And here today to show you the 2025. This is the 25 Flying Cloud. It is the front twin bed, actually. For more information on this camper or any others, reach out to me. Contact information down below, as well as the specifications for this camper. Now let's go ahead and start on the inside. Now, as I mentioned, this is a front bed, so it's 25 FB twin Flying Cloud. Now, the benefit when you get twin beds is the mattresses are 36 inches wide, so it's almost like a king bed, right? But then look at all the extra walking room you have here. When it's a queen bed, it'll come across, you'll have room to walk around, but it's going to be very tight back on this end. Now, when we get outside, I'll show you another benefit of it being twins, and that's going to give you additional storage outside, as well as additional storage on the inside, such as this cabinet here, which you will not have if it's a queen bed. You will have this storage up here, even if it is a king bed. TV would be in the same area as well. And this does come with the soundproof curtain. This is exclusive with Airstream, by the way. You have to check that out. Nice lighting. This is ducted AC. You only have one AC in this particular one. You see how the ducts, and you can control each of the ducts as well. The reading lights back behind there. You'll also have a little storage down below the bed on the inside on both sides. So you have two on either side. Additional outlets here. You have a dimmer control for the lights back here. You shut them off. And by the way, for the bed, you also do have a 110 outlet there, as well as your USB ports, which will be on either side of this. And that does have what we call the USB. It's it's hard to see that, but that has the smaller USB-C as well as the regular USB plug there. So that's the bedroom. AC can be controlled right here. Now, by being a ducted AC, it's a little bit quieter. As we come into the living area here, you have this nice big closet. And you can see how it has a light. A couple extra pillows in there. Just let you see that there. Storage up above here. Not much, but a little bit. Now, you have these locks for traveling. This is your refrigerator. And then, of course, you also have your freezer back down below. Now, this table, this thing will slide forward and back. It'll also, this will lay down to a bed. And you can also, if you unlock it, you can even turn it. So if you want to go ahead and spin it, and you see how it still moves back and forth. So multiple ways you could use that, as well as using it in a bed. Being a U-shaped dinette, that gives you a heck of a lot more longer and a little bit wider bed than normal. JL stereo system here. Storage with 110, and of course your data links in here. USB ports. Soft closed doors. More storage up above your cabinets here. I mean your counter, I say, your kitchen counter. This does have the inverter with the Victron power control there. 110 outlet, good size square sink, 3-burner cooktop, and then of course you have your air fryer, microwave. Good storage down below here, and I like how they do these drawers. I mean, take a look at this drawer here. You have your silverware drawer, which you can pull this out, you put it on the counter, take it outside if you wish to. Makes it very, very convenient for those of you that can't. Little trash can, you don't have to leave it there. Notice also that the heating ducts are up off the floor there. So it's blowing the heat across the camper. It's not going to be blowing it up for the floor where it's collecting dirt and debris and so forth. Oh, I didn't show you this also. 110 outlet down below the dinette there. Little hooks as you come in. You turn your battery on right here. So if I disconnect this right now, you'll see the lights are off now. So I don't have to go around and shut all the lights off. I can just push this button right here, come in, then they're back, all of them are on again. A little board for you to write some notes for yourself, hang some keys. And this one has the rear bathroom, which makes it kind of nice. Good counter space. You got yourself a window, as well as a good shower with a seat. So that's the shower there. Mirror comes with it, and you pull that out. This does have the on-demand water heater. You can check your levels and so forth in there.